Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your My Future Leaders Journey ePortfolio page on your mobile phone. And I suppose to create a page firstly and then to edit that page. Okay, so what you do is you go to learning.gaa.ie, you log in, you press these three lines up at the top, click on ePortfolio, and that will bring you straight to your ePortfolio page. If you are creating a page, you just click Create, click Add a page, same way as you would always. And what we call the page, we're going to call it My Future Leaders Journey. Okay. My Future Leaders Journey. Okay. Scroll down. You can change the layout and the skins and all that. Like I showed in the other video, it's exactly the same here. So we'll just click Save. And now we're into the section where we edit the page. Okay, where we can add text boxes. So the best thing to do with that is if you turn your screen to the side, and it just means that you have a little bit more room to play around with. So you can drag a text box across. You just click it and hold it and drag it across like that. Enter your text. Okay, so we'll just get rid of that for a second. I'll show you one that I've made already. Add images. If I want to just drag, there's the image. Same thing applies. I'll show you how to add an image in a second to one I've already created. If you want to add a file from your mobile phone or any kind of a Google Slides file or anything like that, you can do it from there. Or if you want to use your Google Slides or your Microsoft 365 or whatever platform you're using in school, if you have an online document, you can also add that as a text box too. Okay, just basically copy the link and just paste it into the text box. But if you want to add, for this one here, files to download, if you might have made a voice recording of one of your reflections, so you're after completing a module or you're after running an event or whatever it is you've done, and you're after going home, you've done a reflection as a voice recording, what you do is you just upload it here. Okay, files to download, you click it across here and it'll just search your phone. What kind of files have I got on my phone? Choose files here and then find the sound file in your phone. Okay, likewise if you had a video recorded on your phone, so let's say you're after recording a video of an event or something, one of the modules, something you did related to one of the modules, or you're after recording a video of you reflecting on one of the modules or reflecting on something to do with future leaders, choose files, click the video, upload it here. Okay, I'll delete that for the time being. If it's a case that you wanted to add a YouTube video into your page, click external and then you click external media, drag it, drop it. And what you do is you go into YouTube, you find the video that you want to put into it and you just copy and paste the URL into that box there. Very simple. Okay. Maybe you've created a YouTube channel yourself. I know a lot of future students do that. They create their own YouTube channels and they might upload their reflections and various different things to that YouTube channel privately. No one else needs to see it. It doesn't have to be out in the public, and then you just upload the link to your page. Okay, so I'm going to show you now a page I've already created. So this is My Future Leaders Journey page. As you can see, I've added an image into it. I've changed the font. You can change the font to, there's a list of various different fonts. I've added color for the headings. So it's, as I said, it's a reflective diary. So this year as part of TY, we did the GAAPDC Future Leaders program. We decided that we were going to do the performance analysis, coaching, wellbeing, sports journalism, event management modules once we had completed the overview module, and we planned to organize 2 on-field and 2 off-field events. So just kind of a reflection that the student might make, and they can obviously add to that at the very start of the year. Okay, bit of reflection there on performance analysis, plan for the year, what we plan on doing throughout the course of the year. The task, I've put it in here, but this wouldn't be where you put it in order to get certified. This is only just for a record for the student that they might have they've put in their reflections on the various modules that they've done, but they've also decided to put in their task as well, just so they can look back in years to come and say, oh, this was part of the future years program. I've added in a YouTube video. I've also added in a file to download, so performance analysis task. It's a PowerPoint file. As I said, if it is a case that the pupil is using an online platform, they could just copy and paste the link to the document into a text box here, and to access it, then all the teacher would have to do is just click on the link, or all the pupil would have to do in the future is also just click on the link. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'll show you how to add a picture in here. Okay, so I'm going to click edit this page. All right, so you're going to go back to the where we saw it earlier, similar style we saw earlier. All right, and I've turned the phone to the side so we can see it a little bit. It's a little bit easier to manipulate with the headings on the side. All right, so I'm going to scroll down to where we have some space, and let's just say we've done the nutrition module. So it's going to drag the text box across, drag it and drop it, goes yellow. So what are we calling this? Nutrition module. Okay. So in the title of the block there, I've written in nutrition module, some content there. So we did the nutrition module as part of the GAA Future Year program, and I found it very helpful and interesting. You obviously would add more to that in terms of reflection. You could also do that reflection as a voice recording or a video recording, whatever you want to do, or whatever the pupil feels more comfortable doing. Click save. All right, so that's the nutrition module. So now what I want to do is I want to add an image under that, maybe relating to the nutrition module. So click it there. So the image, then I will, so to upload an image, so whatever the title of the image is, I put it in here. So let's call it a recipe. Recipes, perfect. Okay, and then so click on the image. So how do I get it? So I can either take it from an image that was already in my ePortfolio, click any one of those, they would have been images I previously uploaded, or I can click choose files. Okay, so if it's a case I want to take, let's say I'm in the home ec class, we're cooking something, we're doing something from the Recipes for Success book or whatever it is we're doing, I can click camera and either record a video or take a picture of what we're doing right there and then. Very useful, and it uploads straight away to my ePortfolio. Or I can click on files. If I click on files, that'll go to images I would already have taken. So I clicked on files just to get an image from that was already on in my gallery. So I just clicked on that. So that's uploading that file to it. So I click save, and now there's the recipe. Okay, so just it's an image from Recipes for Success book. All right, so let's see how that looks now on my page. All right, perfect. And I'm going to click display page now. So I clicked on display page, and that's where it's at now. So it's underneath the performance analysis module, so nutrition module. That's only that's the very start of a reflection. You would obviously add more to it than that. You talk about what you did in the module, various things you learned. You might have your extended learning, links to other websites, links to videos that you'd see on YouTube, etc., etc. Okay, videos of yourself speaking, and other pictures. But that's just an example. Okay, so we'll go up now. We want to share it with our teacher so the teacher can look at it and give us feedback on it, because that's obviously very important. So to get that, we click edit this page again, and we're going to share it now. Click share. Who do I share it with? So share with. I'm going to click share with. Now, be very careful who you share with. So we're going to click users. Okay. And once you've clicked that, you click on the search bar there. So you press the search bar, type in the name of your teacher, and when you found the correct person, then you click save. That will be saved with your teacher then, so any edit that you make throughout the year will automatically go to the teacher. It's a live working document. Okay.